how to add a donation button to your YouTube channel so you can accept donation. I am talking about this button here. Let me show you. Like here, description, people, they can donate. Some of you can give chance, some of your viewers, they want to support you, they appreciate what you do, so they want to donate in your channel. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this clickable link, which way they can click this link and they can go in the page and make some donation. Hi everyone, and welcome to Make Money You. I am Mivumbi, and today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start to receive donation with your YouTube channel without even monetized. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step. And in this video today we're going to use this platform called Ko-fi. I'm going to show you exactly you can create this kind of page, so people they can come here in this page and they can donate. This is like example. For example, like here they can donate from £5, and if they want to donate more they can add here, or if they want to do monthly they can do here and it can be monthly, or they can do one time. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this kind of page, and we're going to use Ko-fi. Let me show you what is Ko-fi here. Like there they say Ko-fi, you can make money from donations, you can create membership and shop sell. You can start a Ko-fi page and earn money with a buy me coffee link. So your viewer can give them chance to buy you a coffee, to buy you a cup of tea. You can create a membership. You can even sell product in this platform, which is going to be good for you if your channel hasn't been monetized yet with YouTube. So I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how we can do this. Now I want you to come here. I left the link below for this page, ko-fi.com. Click that link and you come to this page here, and you can sign up with Ko-fi. It is free. Sign up with them. When you click here, you just put your email address. It's very simple. Let me show you. If you click sign up, you see here you sign up with them. It's very simple. Put your email address, display name, accept the term and condition, or you can use your Google email address to sign up with them. So go and do that, and when you finish, come to the next step. Right now, once you are already signed up with them with Ko-fi, or you already log in, this is what page is going to look like this. But your page, let me show you. This is my page here. This is your dashboard. Now, this is my page here I already create. So once you log in, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your dashboard, but because yours is going to be new, it's going to be blank. You need to add your profile. Let me go back here, I'll show you. You see this one, you need to add your profile photo. You click here, you choose image from your computer, and you add here. You click apply, and then you come here as well because it's going to be blank for you. You come here the same, you add the cover. You come here, you click in your computer, you choose the image, and you choose you click apply. You're going to set your page like this. Okay, and then when you finish that, I want to show you the next step we need to do. We need to come here. This is going to be your dashboard for your Ko-fi. So when you come here, we can come, the first thing is here, setting. Click setting. So this is the profile. When you come here, that's your profile photo, that is your name, and this is your username. When you was sign up, you choose username. So this is going to be your username, and here about you, you're going to put what is your page is all about, right? You're just going to like introduce yourself and write all those good stuff. Okay, so if you go website, you can add up here. If you go YouTube channel, you can connect. Just click there. You see here, I say Twitch connect. You can click connect and it's going to connect direct. The same like YouTube, is going to be the same YouTube. They say connect, you connect, and you connect to your YouTube channel. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is payment, in your payment method, right? So here you can choose PayPal, or you can connect to your Stripe account. You can connect here. Okay, so now let's come here. Currency, you need to choose which currency you're using for your country. I'm United Kingdom. We use British pound, so I choose pound. And then here, donation settings, you can choose a two-way. For example, here, Ko-fi donation. Okay, so here I choose this one, and buy coffee from Mivumbi Ahmad. But if you don't want this one, you can choose different way here. Let's choose this one now, for now. Yeah, so you can choose this one, and people, they can just simple donate in your page. And minimum, how much do you want people to start to donate? You can write pound, you can write the exact the amount you want, £1, £2. People, they can start donate from your page. And here, instead of write tip, we can write donate. You can choose here donate, or you can choose, I just put mine tip. So you can do donate here, and then here you can write a message when they donate, which message you want the person who, your viewer who donate in your channel, which kind of message they want to receive, like thank you so much for your support and love. Okay, so this is the part for payment. Okay, so this is how it is. And here, if you want to create a membership, this is another video. I'll do another video. You can create a membership. People, they can join your membership through coffee. But today video, I'm going to show you how you can create a donation button, and then you can add this donation in your YouTube channel. Okay, so when you've done that, it's already going to be saved. That's where you're going to choose your color for your page. Okay, you want how your page you want to look like, the colors. So let me show you how you look like now. Here, this is my page. Now you see, now because we change, so this is the page is going to be. Before, my page used to say it shows tip, but now I choose to donation. So someone will come here, they land in this page. We're going to take the link, we're going to put in our YouTube channel. When they land in this page, they are going to the amount is going to be here. They're going to add the amount, and they're going to put the message what they want to tell you, and they can click donation, and they go to like if I click the donation here, you go direct to the payment, pay with card or whatever is going to be. And you see there's a two-way to pay here. You click that one and you're going to pay. Okay, so let me show you how you can take this link and you can put this link into your YouTube channel. You see this one, this is our link here. You see Mivumbi Ahmad, this is the link. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to click here, share, and I'm going to copy. This is the copy link I'm copying. Now I'm going to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel here. I'm going to show, this is how you look like. You see here, right? So we're going to we come here, customize channel. Right, so we come here to basic information. Click here, and this is where we're going to add our link here. You see here, add a link. We put, this is a okay, and here you see buy me coffee, or we can do donate. Okay, and you can move about if you want. You can move this one here, you can move wherever you want to put this. Okay, so now we come to publish. Let's view our channel. Yeah, so this is the link here, this is the link here. Also the same link you can add in your description. So I'm going to show you how to add this link in your description. Let's see here. So let's come here, edit the video. Yeah, we edit our video. So we want to add this link. Let's say we want to add this link in our description. So I come here, let's say here, I want to come here. I'm going to write donate. Let's see how does it look like now in our. Okay, so this is the link. Let me show you how it look like now. Description, let's click here. This is the link we add. Please donate here, and this is the link. This is clickable link. So if someone click here now, they go direct into, if someone click in that link, they land up here in this page. Okay, and they'll come here and they'll donate. They'll put the amount they want. If they want £5, if they want to add more, they can add more. As much as people they want to add, they can add, and they can click here donate. And the payment method is going to show here, and they click that payment, and then you're going to receive a donation. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Until next time, this is Mivumbi. Take care. Bye.